In this video, we'll learn about matter. So matter is composed of atoms, which then form elements, and then these elements combine to form molecules and compounds. Now understanding the composition of matter helps in studying its properties and behavior in different contexts. In this chapter, we'll explore some important theories which can answer all such questions. The kinetic theory of matter is a fundamental concept in chemistry that explains the behavior of matter based on the motion of its particle. Let us learn this theory to understand a microscopic perspective on behavior of matter. So now let's have a look on the classification of matter. So matter is classified on the basis of physical state, appearance, and composition. The classification on the basis of physical state. Matter can exist as solid, liquid, gas. Now let us have a look states of matter based on kinetic molecular theory. So in solids, we are talking about solids. The intermolecular distance between two particles is minimum. Now what do we mean by this intermolecular distance? It is simple. The distance between two molecules. So suppose this is basically there is no distance between these two molecules and there is some distance. So this is basically some distance which is called as intermolecular distance. So in solid it is minimum. So in solid the distance between two particles is minimum. So intermolecular force of attraction among particles strong. So as the particles are near to each other, they can attract each other with a strong force. Thus solids are rigid and have fixed shape. So because of the particles are very close, their force of attraction is very high. That's why solids are rigid. Particles of solid cannot move apart. Why? Because again the reason is intermolecular distance minimum and force of attraction is very strong. So if two solids are kept together, they do not get intermixed. That is diffusion. Diffusion is simply mixing, not observed among solids. So because of their high intermolecular, basically strong force of attraction and less intermolecular distance, they don't get intermixed. So in liquids, the intermolecular distance is more among their particles. So the intermolecular force of attraction is a bit weaker. So hence particles of liquid can move a bit apart and liquids can expand and take the shape of the container. Since particles of liquid can move apart, hence liquid together intermix and diffuse with each other. So it's just a bit difference than solid. So this is basically arrangement of molecules in solid. We can see that there is no intermolecular distance almost. In arrangement of molecules of liquid, there is some intermolecular distance, that is this. Now let us have a look on the gases. So the intermolecular distance is maximum. So intermolecular force is very low because the particles are very much away from each other. Hence particles of gases can move apart to expand to a very large extent. Since particles of gases are free to move, hence the process of diffusion is the most easy among gases. So diffusion, basically mixing, is very easy because the particles are in random motion. So this is the arrangement of molecules. Here we are able to see the arrangement of molecules in gases. See how much far they are with each other. They are even far than liquid molecules. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.